Hello and welcome. It's Jilly Cube. I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia, coming to you with something that I just had in mind that I wanted to do with some really nice bright uplifting colours. I used similar colours the other day for a pour I did and it was just gorgeous. I will show you. Yeah. There. It was such a bright and uplifting that I thought, oh, don't use yellow often enough, but there you go. I want to use some yellow as my base, but I'm going to do it on this lovely 40 by 50 canvas and go from there, I guess, go from there. So I want to do sort of, I just want it really nice, bright and uplifting. And again, I think I've put too much paint on there, but you know, so I'm actually going to use my soft sponge brush and put all this, spread all this out, so I'll zip through this. Okay, that one's done and dusted. I've left sort of a bit of the thicker bit up there. That's fine because I'll probably end up sending some of the paint up that way. So hopefully this sort of goes well. Excuse me. Excuse me. So this is metallic ultraviolet. This one is a global colour, global colours. Beautiful, beautiful. What better than with this bright yellow? I really want to add an impact to it, so I'm going to go. I have a little bit left of the fluoro pink. I'll go that as well. Those are really the most bright and vibrant candy colours. Beautiful, I think, beautiful. Rightio, where was my other one? I wanted to put in, this is the my Berry Delicious that I make up out of the, oh, it's basically a dark red, and then you add a blob of phthalo blue and a blob of black if you want it to go real dark cherry. That's what I do. Probably more than enough, and I will pop in to really pop your socks off some of this fluoro orange. I did use orange in a painting yesterday, but it was pretty like wishy-washy orange, and it had a tendency to send my other colours sort of, yeah, dull them down, but hopefully that one won't do the same. This is just a bit of the very pink. Instead of adding white, this is like the baby pink, which was just white, and I added some of that fluoro pink to it. So there you go. Righty-o. I will just add some more of this yellow to kind of help me blow this out. I'll just make sure it's going to play nicely. Hopefully nothing will go muddy, because it's a bit risky with all those absolute crazy colours I've just used. It definitely is, but you know, in for a penny, in for a pound. Rightio. Crazy colour lady, crazy colour lady. I think I'm just going to tilt this a little bit so it goes over my edges a bit. So the colours are just rolling over one another. Hopefully you do it nice and slowly. They won't muddy up. Chop, chop, chop. let's go back up the other way, just re-center it. Right. I really hope this works. This is a crazy colour combo. So I'll use my mini dryer, blow dryer, so I will start, probably need to get it away from the edge so I don't blow it all over myself. Okay, let's go up first. Basically, it's basically turned purple. It's turned purple. Let's just see if I can do something with this. Okay. It's hectic. It is hectic, but it's actually really nice. I really like it. Really, kind of, it's just something bright and uplifting I really wanted to do. So you could absolutely leave it exactly as it is right now, let it dry. But of course, I want to put some balloon rolls, and it'll take out some of the paint and bring out, as you see, some of those beautiful vibrant colours there. You could very well balloon kiss, it's nice to even balloon kiss cards and make your own gift cards out of your balloon kisses. Well, that particular one, I'll lift it up and show you. That's gone a bit crazy, but wow. What's these dogs? My dogs are running around crazy after something. It's been pouring with rain all weekend here, so my dogs are absolutely stir crazy because they've been inside most of the time with us, so they've gone a bit crazy. I did put that on that card, so you could definitely use greeting cards, blank greeting cards to do your own. Hey, hey, crazy dogs, calm your farm. Calm your farm. Rightio, it's a roll. Oh my goodness, that yellow's coming up now. So it's literally rolling your balloon. Just go for it. Ooh, look at that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Love it, love it. So when you know you've got a lot of colour under there, that is one of the best ways to bring all that colour up, if you so wish to. And that is pretty nice. Some little fireflies, delicate fireflies and butterflies. Let's see if I can skewer that out. Well, that's a really nice and vibrant. You need to give that to anybody to cheer them up. I'm pretty sure it will do the job. In fact, I know just the person that might like that needs a good cheering up. A friend of mine has been in and out of hospital after a fall, so I think she might really be grateful for that. And what nicer than to give as gifts to people you believe will enjoy and get some pleasure out of your art. It's super duper. I haven't done one quite like this for a long time, so I'll turn it. I think it would look better. I'll turn it around so you can see. Definitely look better this hung that way. Do you think? That's really super beautiful. Oh, the colours are, you either love them or you hate them, but they're definitely uplifting. So that's my job done. I love it. I love it. So thank you so much for joining me again. I do appreciate you all, what I call my sticky viewers. They stick with me and continue to give me encouragement. And if my work is giving you any joy, then obviously that's what I love to do. Share the joy. Remember, my lovelies, if you're feeling sad, lonely, upset, please don't suffer in silence. Ring a family member or a friend, or if not, certainly ring a helpline. There is always someone there to help you. Okay, wait on for the end photos, and I'll be back tomorrow. Take care. Have a good week.